In this video, we'll compare the best Milwaukee Sawzall and Hackzall models, highlighting their top features, performance, and key differences to help you choose the right tool for your cutting needs. Don't miss out! The 272220 is Milwaukee's top-tier reciprocating saw, and it shows. Cordless Super Sawzall runs on the M18 battery platform and delivers power on par with a 15-amp corded model. It features a 1 1/4 inch stroke length and hits up to 3,000 SPM, giving it serious cutting performance in wood and metal. The selectable orbital action adds aggression when you need it, and the quick lock blade clamp makes swaps fast and easy. Milwaukee built in a rafter hook for storage and an LED light for low light accuracy. It's also got RedLink Plus intelligence, so you get top performance with overload protection. Even under heavy loads, this saw doesn't flinch. It cuts fast, clean, and with control. Pair it with a high output battery and you'll get up to 150 cuts per charge. This is one of Milwaukee's most capable cordless cutting tools, and it feels every bit like it. You're not going to want to overlook this one. Milwaukee's 15.0 amp Super Sawzall 6538-21 has been a job site staple for years, and it still brings serious muscle to the table. With a true 15 amp motor under the hood, it cuts through just about anything you throw at it, fast, clean, and with confidence. The variable speed trigger gives you control when you need it, and Milwaukee's constant power technology keeps the saw pushing hard under load. Blade changes are quick thanks to the quick lock system, and a built-in counterbalance helps reduce vibration for smoother operation. It's a little on the heavier side, but that weight translates into durability that pros trust. You even get a carrying case for protection and easy transport. At under $200, this corded workhorse delivers power and performance without draining your budget. It's still one of the most dependable reciprocating saws out there. Milwaukee keeps things simple with the 262120, but don't let that fool you. It's a solid performer. This M18 Sawzall isn't part of the fuel lineup, but it still runs up to 3,000 strokes per minute and handles everything from light demo work to cutting tree limbs. It's built with an all-metal gear case and features a counterbalance system that cuts down on vibration, which makes a big difference on longer jobs. The 1 1/8 inch stroke is just shy of the fuel model's reach, but still plenty aggressive for most tasks. There's no orbital action here, and it sticks with a brushed motor, so it's not as efficient as some of Milwaukee's higher-end options. But with RedLink electronics and that slim, ergonomic grip, it's easy to control and tough to beat at this price point. For $129, this is a reliable go-to cordless saw that punches well above its weight. If a full-size Sawzall feels like overkill, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Hackzall 2719-20 might be the perfect fit. This compact one-handed reciprocating saw delivers serious cutting speed with a brushless motor and a 7/8 inch stroke that moves through material faster than you'd expect. It's built for overhead or tight space work, and the reduced vibration makes a big difference when you're doing long runs in metal or pipe. The slim, lightweight design is easy to control with one hand, which is ideal for electricians, plumbers, and maintenance crews. Even though it's small, this thing doesn't skimp on power or durability. You still get quick lock blade changes, RedLink Plus electronics, and the added runtime you'd expect from Milwaukee's M18 battery platform. For folks who don't need the bulk of a full saw but still want pro-level performance, the Hackzall delivers in a big way. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Sawzall 2822-20 is built to tackle some serious work, and it's got the performance to back it up. This bare tool features a power state brushless motor that delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute and a 1 1/4 inch stroke length, so you're cutting faster and more efficiently than ever before. Plus, it's part of Milwaukee's M18 system, so you can easily swap batteries across over 200 tools. While it's lightweight and offers an ergonomic design for all-day use, it's also tough. Designed to take on job site abuse with an anti-corrosion blade clamp and a metal reinforced battery connection. What really sets it apart is one key, which lets you customize, track, and manage the saw's performance from your smartphone. Whether you need to adjust the speed or fine-tune the cut, this tool is ready for whatever job you throw at it. Just pair it with an M18 battery and you're good to go.